Good day everyone. Our topic for today is SQL joins. Joins is used for combining rows from tables based on a related columns between them. And also we have 5 types of SQL joins. First is inner join, left join, right join, full join, and self join. Inner join. The inner join keyword selects records that have matching values in both tables. And the syntax is select column names from table 1, inner join, table 2, on table 1, dot column name. Next is left join. The left join keywords returns all records from the left table, which is table 1, and the matching records from the right table, table 2. The result is 0 records from the right side if there is no match. And the syntax is select column names from table 1, left join table 2, on table 1, dot column name equals table 2 dot column name. Next is right join. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table, table 2, and the matching records from the left table, which is table 1. The result is 0 records from the left side if there is no match. And the syntax for right join is select column names from table 1, right join table 2, on table 1 dot column name equals table 2 dot column name. Next is full join or full outer join. The full outer join keyword returns all records when there is match in left or right table. And the syntax for this is select column names from table 1, full outer join, table 2, on table 1, that column name equals table 2, that column name, where and the condition. And last is self-join. A self-join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. And the syntax for this is select column names from table 1 alias T1, table 1 alias T2, where and the condition. And that's for today. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.